In order to feed a growing population, all different types of foods are going to need a seat at the table. And that's why I believe so much in plant-based seafood as well as cell-based and reared fish as well as harvested fish. It's going to take all of those things. In fact, I have a dream that someday I'll be sitting in a sushi restaurant and the sushi board will be a combination of all of those. And it's going to take all different types of resources, which is why I'm so excited about what the plant-based seafood company is doing. Monica and Shelly and little Bella, 3 strong women of 3 generations making plant-based seafoods out of non-GMO, non-gluten and gluten-free ingredients. I mean, take a look at these scallops. All you have to do is saute them up and they're ready to go. Look at this beautiful shrimp. It has the bite, the flavor of shrimp, and even, look at this, looks so familiar, a popcorn shrimp. So it's important, if you think about it, that we have diversity in our diet, that we have delicious foods that are plant-forward, plant-based, Seagan, all different things as we come to the table. And I am really excited because I do believe, as their motto is, that the plant-based seafood company is going to blow your mind.